From the heart of Omaha, Nebraska, emerges one of the world's most influential financial giants, Berkshire Hathaway. Today, we delve into the behemoth's business, stock performance, and its future potential. Founded in the 1830s as a textile company, Berkshire Hathaway's modern-day story begins with its acquisition by Warren Buffett in the 1960s. From then on, it's been an upward trajectory for Berkshire's stock, symbolizing the company's dominance in various industries. Today, Berkshire Hathaway owns a vast range of companies, from insurance giant Geico to the beloved Dairy Queen to the railroad titan Vince. Furthermore, its stock portfolio reads like the who's who of the corporate world. Think Apple, Coca-Cola, and Bank of America. Once Warren Buffett said, "Our approach is very much profiting from lack of change rather than from change." This strategy has kept Berkshire grounded, focusing on value investing and long-term growth rather than short-term profits. But what of the future? As industries evolve and technology becomes ever more integral, where does Berkshire stand? Recent years have seen Berkshire dipping its toes into technology with investments in Apple and Amazon. Additionally, its ventures into renewable energy through Berkshire Hathaway Energy show its commitment to future-proofing its business. On the global front, while Berkshire primarily focuses on American companies, there's potential for more international investments, tapping into emerging markets and broadening its horizons. In a strategic move, Berkshire Hathaway Energy dives deeper into the natural gas industry. Let's take a closer look. Berkshire Hathaway Energy has agreed to purchase Dominion Energy Incorporated's stake in a Maryland LNG export project for a whopping $3.3 billion. This will bolster Berkshire's limited partnership ownership in the terminal to an impressive 75%. The remaining quarter, held by a subsidiary of Brookfield Infrastructure Partners. But this isn't Berkshire's first venture into this plant. Rewind to 2020 when Berkshire Hathaway Incorporated initially bought a stake in this one-train export facility. And speaking of capacity, this plant boasts an annual export potential of 5.25 million tons. But why is this significant? This deal hands Berkshire control of one of only 7 operational U.S. facilities that can export LNG, especially at a pivotal time when LNG has become a cornerstone in both the economic and geopolitical world. Just last year, in the wake of the Ukraine invasion and the subsequent surge in natural gas prices, U.S. exports of this very commodity played a crucial role in bolstering Western European economies, following a cut in supplies by Russia. Notably, Cove Point LNG has long-term contracts in place with powerhouses like Tokyo Gas Co. and Sumitomo Corp. What about Dominion Energy? They've mentioned that the proceeds from this deal will be channeled towards repaying debt. And for those keen on keeping up, Dominion has hinted at an investor day in the upcoming third quarter, promising updates on their strategic and financial perspectives. For Warren Buffett's Berkshire, this move signifies not just an investment, but a strategic foothold in an industry that's shaping the future. Aret, that fancy jewelry brand that's all about good quality and being eco-friendly, well, they've teamed up with Helzberg Diamonds, a subsidiary of called Berkshire Hathaway. Helzberg's got a whopping 170 stores all over the place. They're known for awesome jewelry and great service. Plus, they're a part of this big company. Joining forces with Aret has allowed Helzberg Diamonds to connect with the modern, style-conscious consumer who values both luxury and accessibility. Now let's talk about their Q2 2023 earning. Berkshire Hathaway just unveiled a stellar performance for Q2 2023. Here's a quick dive into the highlights. A solid surge in Q2 operating earnings, hitting $10.043 billion. That's a 6.6% rise from last year's Q2. The increase is majorly driven by the company's diverse portfolio, which includes sectors like insurance, railroads, and utilities. Their insurance underwriting and investment income particularly shone bright this quarter. They flipped the script from a $43.62 billion loss in Q2 2022 to an astonishing net income of $35.91 billion this time around. Berkshire's colossal investment in Apple worked wonders. With Apple's shares skyrocketing by 18% this quarter, Berkshire's stake in the tech giant surged to a whopping $177.6 billion. There was a bit of a shuffle as Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, reduced his Chevron stake to $19.4 billion, especially as its performance was a tad lackluster this year, dropping over 11%. For perspective, while Chevron took a slight dip, the S&P 500 went on a joyride, rallying by almost 17% in 2023. Berkshire's cash reserve is buzzing with an impressive sum of $147.377 billion as of June end. That's a significant jump from the $130.616 billion in the previous quarter. The firm was a bit conservative on share repurchases this quarter, spending around $1.4 billion. However, their Class A shares are celebrating, hitting a record-breaking close of $541,000 recently, marking a 13.8% gain this year. Leadership is another hot topic. As Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger age, discussions around succession plans have intensified. The future leaders will be tasked with steering the company in a world vastly different from the one Buffett first invested in. While change is inevitable, if Berkshire Hathaway's past is any indicator, its ability to adapt, invest wisely, and keep shareholders' interests at heart suggests a bright future ahead. Berkshire Hathaway, a testament to the power of long-term vision and steady growth. Make sure to keep an eye on Berkshire Hathaway. This behemoth shows no signs of slowing down. Remember, this video is created for entertainment purposes only. It is not an investment advice. Always do your own thorough research, consult with professionals, and consider your financial situation carefully before making any investment decisions. In a world overflowing with rumors and influenced narratives, we stand firm in our mission. At BRK.A, we tirelessly sift through the noise, ensuring that what reaches you is pure, unadulterated fact. If you value genuine news and a relentless effort behind it, show your support. Give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the BRK.A family. Together, we'll keep misinformation at bay. Stay smart, stay healthy, and always stay informed with BRK.A.